Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to bring you the Walgreens ad preview for next week. So these deals are going to go from March 8th until the following Saturday. So next week's ad is pretty slow. The current week, we do have a really hot Walgreens beauty event going on. So a couple tips on that. Check your accounts for the digital booster. It will say spend $25, get 7,000 points back. The digital booster and the paper booster they do usually stack. So in essence, you'll spend $25 and get 14,000 points back. A lot of people ask me where you guys get the paper booster. It is going to be at any Walgreens location that has a beauty consultant desk. So you can Google it and figure out which Walgreens have the beauty consultant. Those are the only ones who are going to have the paper coupon. Most of the Walgreens I go to will not accept a photo of the paper booster. So yours may, they may not. That's just my experience in my local area. I will be posting a video on Thursday for my Walgreens haul. I do have two different scenarios depending on what kind of coupons you have, and digital coupons and register rewards, of course. So make sure you stay tuned. I just hit 5,000 subscribers, so as promised, I'm doing another subscriber appreciation giveaway that I will be posting how to enter in that Walgreens haul, beauty event haul on Thursday. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I post that video, you guys will be notified and you can enter to win. If you're new to my channel, of course, welcome. My channel is all about how you guys can save money and find the best deals on everyday items each week. So let's go ahead and dive into the ad preview. So next week is pretty slow. CVS, I've already previewed that ad. There are some really, really amazing deals going on at CVS. The current week, like I said, with that beauty event, typically the week following a beauty event is a lot slower. One deal that I do always love, though, is this buy one, get two free for the nice storage and sandwich bags. I use these in my house constantly. I think they're a really good product, so I always try to stock up on those. We go through the snack bags all the time, so I definitely need to grab a few more. Some subscribers, of course, ask me for some different soda deals and water deals. 3 for $9.99 is definitely a great deal because typically, as you see posted here, they are $6.19 each. So regular price, you would be paying $18.57. So on sale next week, they're almost half off. It does say it is a limit of 3, so just keep that in mind. Buy one, get one free on the Nature's Bounty and Osteo Biflex. We have Tide and Tide Pods, $4.99 with a $2 coupon, makes them $2.99. If you don't have the $2 coupons from the March P&G, my March P&G, or any of the P&Gs in my region don't come with those, you can always print them online from pgeveryday.com. So make sure that you go to that website. You can only print it one time per account, and it does expire within 48 hours, so make sure you print it right before you're about to use it. $4.99 for Maxwell House Coffee for some of the deals of the week. Pistachios are $5.99 with a $1 off coupon. Colgate, this will be a pretty good deal. They are $2.99, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 register reward. In the 3-1 insert, I think it was the Smart Source, we only had 50-cent Colgate coupons, which is super low value. If you go to Colgate.com, go to special offers at the top, you can print $1 off 1 coupons for the Optic Wipe and 75-cent coupons for the Max Fresh and the Total. So for this deal, if you buy 2, that is $5.98. Take off 2 75-cent coupons, you'll pay $4.48 out of pocket, get back that $4 register reward. So final cost is just 24 cents per toothpaste, which is a really, really great price point. The Ajax and Small Dawn dish soap is back for just 99 cents. Love to stock up on the Ajax especially. Great donation item as well, and it's only 99 cents. So if you guys want, you can grab that deal. Buy 2, get the 3rd free. This is a beauty deal that's going on the entire month, ends on March 28th. We have Shea Moisture, $2 coupons coming in our inserts on Sunday. So it would be $5.99. I've gotten a couple of these. They don't work too well with my hair. I know they are a good product though. My hair just kind of gets, picky sometimes. Buy one, get one free on the Arm & Hammer. I would stay away from that deal. They are $6.99 in my store, and usually we get those deals buy one, get two free. Sometimes we even have coupons, $1 off that we can pair with that. So if you buy it next week, it's $3.49 each. And obviously if you wait when it's buy one, get two free, it is much better savings. Dasani, $4.49. It is a limit of 4. So that is a great deal for some water as well. It's a 24 pack. I know a lot of people are picky about what kind of water they like. I personally think it all tastes the same. I'm not super picky with my water, but this is a really good deal for a 24 pack. So if you need to stock up on some water, Walgreens might be a great place next week. Russell Stover's, this is a really good filler item. So if you need to use any register rewards for any spend deals where you're not able to use points and you need an extra item that there's no coupon attaching to so the register reward can attach, these would be some good items. So remember, when it is on sale 2 for $1, you do have to buy 2 for them to be $1. Otherwise, if you only buy 1, it'll ring up as 79 cents each. The Arizona iced teas are the same, so either of those would be great filler items. Doritos and Lay's, 2 for $5. That is definitely a good price point. Let's see, lunch deals, 5 for $5 for Sarkis Chunky White. 3 for $4 Progressive Soup, that's not a bad deal there. 99 cents for Kraft macaroni and cheese. I absolutely love Kraft. I still have 2 in my cupboard that I'm trying not to eat because I'm on a diet, but I do still love that. 99 cents is a great price point. I think at Publix they're $2 or $2.39, something like that. So 99 cents is definitely a good stock up price. Mayonnaise for $2.99 as well, not bad. Oscar Mayer, so they are on sale 2 for $8 for a pound of bacon. I think that's a really great price point. That's only $4 each. On my Fetch Rewards account as well, it does end on the 9th, so you would have to do this deal if you wanted to submit for the bonus points. You would have to do it on Sunday or Monday because it does end on Monday the 9th. So the deal on my Fetch Rewards is when you buy 3, you're going to get 1,500 points back. I've already bought one previously, so I only need 2 more. So 1,500 points is the equivalent to $1.50. So instead of spending $8, it's going to in essence be $6.50 for the last 2, or $3.25 each. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards, I use that app almost every single day, and I use it to pay down a lot of my out-of-pocket. That's how I pay $0 at CVS. They have Starbucks gift cards, Amazon, Walmart, you name it. So I use that a lot in my Ibotta hauls as well. So my code, if you're not signed up yet, is right here, J24VT. When you scan your first receipt, any receipt laying around your house from like a Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Aldi, Publix, something like that, Dollar General I believe also works as well, and Family Dollar, you will get an additional 2,750 points. If you do this deal as well, buying the 3 bacon, you'll get an additional 1,500 points. That'll put you over 3,000, and you can cash out for a digital gift card. So I love, love, love that app, and I highly recommend it. 2 for $4, Pace Salsa. I do like that brand. That's pretty good. Ooh, what's this? Oh, buffalo chicken dip with Velveeta. I've never tried that with Velveeta. I usually use cream cheese and then, I don't even remember. I haven't made it in a little while. But I love buffalo chicken dip. And I do have all the ingredients from the last time they were on sale. So I still need to make that. I do have a party I'm going to this weekend. So maybe I can bring some buffalo chicken dip. 2 for $6, Simply Orange. We did have a coupon, I believe, for Simply Orange. I'll have to double check, see if it's still valid. Oreos, $2.99 each, not a bad deal. Ritz crackers is the same. There was a checkout 51 offer. See if it's still available for the Oreos. When you buy 2, yes, it's still available. So when you buy 2, you get $1 back. So if you buy 2 at $2.99 each. When you get the $1 back, final cost is only $2.49. So that's a really good price point for some Oreos. 99 cents for Trident. King size bars, it looks like they are $1.69. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Downy and Bounce, they are on sale $3.99. We have a $1 off coupon coming in our Sunday inserts. Final cost is just $2.99. Febreze, again, is on sale $2.99. I don't know. I think those coupons will be expired by then. Not 100% sure. Snuggle, 89 cents. We are getting a buy 4, get 2 free digital coupon, which is awesome. So when you buy 6 of them, you're going to pay $3.56 or just 59 cents each. So not a bad price point. Purex, $5.99. These are the really, really large ones. And we have that $1 off coupon from the 3-1 Retail Me Not that you guys, I believe it works on this one, would make it $4.99. Persil, we are getting a $2 off Persil coupon. I know so many people who love Persil. CVS has a better deal going on. It's part of the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. So if you have a CVS near you, that is going to be a better place to stock up on some Persil items next week. These two I would definitely stay away from. A lot of times with paper product deals at Walgreens, we'll get at least a register reward deal or something like that. So I would stay away from that. Some plates, nice or complete home plates, buy one, get one free. Lysol, 2 for $4. I hope we get some more Lysol coupons. That would be nice. What else? Nothing really crazy here. Crest, we're getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, which is awesome. So when you buy 3, you can mix and match the Crest or the Oral-B toothpaste and toothbrushes. You're going to buy 3 at $2.99. That is $8.97. When you buy 3, you get a $3 register reward. So when you use that 5 off 3 digital coupon, you'll pay $3.97, get back that $3 register reward. Final cost is 97 cents for all 3, or just 33 cents each, which is a great price point for some toothpaste. Parodontics or Sensodyne, $1 off coupon and 3,000 points when you buy 2. Not a bad deal. We don't really see too many deals on those. So if you do need those products, be a good time to stock up. We're getting a $1 off coupon, a digital and in our Sunday paper. Nivea body wash is by far my favorite body wash that I use because it's nice and light. It has a small scent to it. It's not super perfumey. So I really, really like that one. Hair care deals. I would stay away from this for sure. A lot of times we'll get Pantene for like $1 or something. This is not the best deal. Herbal Essences on sale 2 for $10. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon we can use. And when you spend 15, get a $3 register reward. So to spend 15, you would either have to buy 3 or 4 of them. If you buy 4 of them, that would be $20. Use 2 of the $5 off coupons, 1 hopefully digital and 1 paper. You would pay $10 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward. So final cost would be $7 for all 4 or $1.75 each. Not bad for Herbal Essence. Herbal Essences is a lot more expensive. Regular price, they're $6.99. So you're going from that down to $1.75. It does count towards Walgreens Beauty as well. So that $20, if you bought 4, would count towards Walgreens Beauty. Head and Shoulders, not the best deal. Sometimes we'll get some points or register rewards with it. So final cost on this is $4.50 each. Still some savings, of course, but if you can hold off, I would hold off on that. Better would be just to get it at Walmart and use that 3 off of 2 coupon. Okay, Dial, we're getting a $1 off coupon. There'll be $2.99 with that. Not the best deal again. This here, get a free Bic razor after manufacturer rebate. I'm not sure what that is. Typically when I see things like that, it's from like a peelie that's on the product and you just fill it out and send in the receipt and they give you a check for the cash back. So I'm not sure how this is going to work out. We'll have to wait and see. There's a $3 off digital coupon coming as well. Sometimes on Bic.com, I always have it listed in the description box, we will have printable coupons as well. So fingers crossed that it'll reset. I checked recently, it hadn't yet, so hopefully we'll have something there. Buy one, get one half off on Dove and Degree, Axe, body sprays and deodorant, and 3,000 points when you buy 3. These are typically pretty expensive. We do have coupons from the previous insert. I can't remember if it was $1 off or $2 off, but that might be a pretty good deal. And Mitchum deodorant, we're getting $1 off digital and a coupon in the Sunday inserts. Makes them just $1.99 each. I think that's a pretty good deal. Secret with essential oils is buy one, get one half off. Last I checked, I believe they were $9.49 at my Walgreens. So the second one would be $4.74. But of course, with Walgreens, they're always tricky with their rewards. You have to buy 3 of them to get the reward. We do have $2 coupons from previous inserts. I think it was the 3-1 inserts that you could use, or it was the 3-1. No, I think it was the March P&G actually. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. But I also have Ibotta rebates on the essential oils. So different Ibotta accounts do have different rebates in different rebate amounts. I might have $2 back, you might have $3 back. Just depends. If you're new to Ibotta, I do have a video out for how to submit for the rebates, how to get bonuses, things like that. Kind of all the ins and outs. I will have it linked in the description box and after this video. And my referral code, of course, is down below. Nothing really great there either. Robitussin and Advil is back for $5.99. $2 off coupon makes it $3.99. Sometimes when we have this deal, we'll get a Saving Star rebate. I know Saving Star has been pretty slow recently. I haven't really gotten many new rebates in probably the last like 2 or 3 weeks. I checked again this morning. We don't have anything, so I'm not sure what's going on with that app. They used to have a lot of really good ones, and now they're kind of super slow, so not too sure. Hopefully they'll kind of get that together. Buy one, get one half off, and a $3 register reward on all Walgreens brand products. Get reward at checkout when you spend 20 or more. Okay, there it is. $50 off a Rollator or transport chair at Walgreens. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed again, hit that subscribe button. If you don't follow me yet on Instagram or my Facebook page, the links are below. It's just Bree the Coupon Queen. Make sure you head over there and follow me. Any different deal updates or news, anything like that for couponing, I always post it to my Instagram, and that is the best way to contact me if you want to DM me on Instagram with any questions. Or of course, you guys can drop a comment below with any questions that you have. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.